guys, this is Pat from TechJot. Today we'll do the unboxing of Apple Watch Series 7 45mm. So finally today I was able to get my hands on Apple Watch Series 7 45mm band. So let's do the unboxing of the watch today. Before that, I would really recommend and highly appreciate if you guys can subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any of my YouTube videos. And please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much, guys. So let's don't take any more time and let's dive into it. So we have Apple Watch Series 7 today here, and as you can see, it says on the back as well, and it's midnight aluminum casing with midnight sport band, and it's 45mm. And as you can see, it says Series 7 on the back, and there are two tabs on the side to pull it. And it says designed by Apple in California, made in China, and then all those kind of stuff on the back of the box. As you can see, the box is pretty much white. It's not matched with the color of the Apple Watch at all, and there is no changes to the box. As you can tell, it's a little bit thicker than the one it was before, but other than that, there's no major changes to the box. And then you can see the engraving of the Apple Watch logo has gone a little bit deeper, as you can see here. Yep. So let's open the watch up. You can see there are two tabs on the back for it to open, one on each side. There are two tabs on the back. Okay, so they made some changes on the boxing of the Apple Watch. So there are two boxes in it, and I think this holds the watch. And here is the band. It's just a Apple Watch on the back, sport band, and graphite stainless steel pin on. This is how it looks like. Let's put it on the side for now. And for the watch itself, it just shows the watch and nothing fancy on the back other than the two pins on the side to open the watch up, and that's it. There's nothing too much inside the box, so let's put it aside. Let's open the Apple Watch by sliding these tabs out. One, two, okay. So this is what I get inside the case. This is the Apple Watch. Looks pretty sleek. What's inside here? Some paperwork's in here. Just when the paperwork's, just keep it aside for now. And then this is the charger, and I think Apple Watch connects there. Other than that, there's nothing inside. So let's look at the Apple Watch itself. As you all can see, this is how it looks like for Series 7 45mm aluminum. Let's start it up. If that's how it starts up. I do not have any idea how it starts up, so hopefully it does or not. I don't have any clue. Well, let's put the Apple Watch aside for now. Let's have a look at the band itself. So there's a tab around here. It says to pull it down. So you pull it down. This is what's inside the box. Just says how to snap it on. Okay. So it looks like it's for small and medium and large. And just take it off, I guess. There you go. You take this one off as well. Okay, there you go. So let's take these things off. So you have to peel these things off as well. And you peel. Okay, there's only one side to peel. And other than that, nothing inside except this paperwork in it. So let's put this aside. You all can see this is how the Apple Watch looks after putting the straps on. So let's try booting the Apple Watch up, which I think the Apple Watch is like it's not charged or something, which is very unusual because most of the time you get any Apple product, it is mostly charged. So let me charge it and then try it on again. You all can see I just plugged the Apple Watch into a charging port. So let's see how it pairs with my thing. Okay, so let me pair with my phone and I'll show you how it works. Awesome, thank you. So guys, I have connected this watch with my phone. So right now it's connecting with my phone and downloading some data or something and syncing with my phone. And for as far as Apple Watch and itself goes, it looks pretty good. Like I have used many watches like Fitbit, Garmin, and Samsung Watch, but this looks pretty different from the one I had before. So let's set it up and see how it works. So the Apple Watch is finally set up. So as you can see, this is how it looks like. So as this is my first time using the Apple Watch, this is my first experience with it. So looks pretty good to me. As anyone, if I like, I can go in music. I can see if there's no music on it, and I can use calculator, and then there are settings like the heart monitoring system tells you how your heart is beating and all this fun good stuff in it. So it's pretty good. So this is my review for this Apple Watch for now, and I will do a quick review. So for me, I like this Apple Watch. As you can see, it looks pretty good and it's pretty sleek, and you can see it's aluminum made. So I will use it for a week or so and see how I like it or not, and I will do a video in which I will show you if I like this Apple Watch or not, or if I'm gonna keep this Apple Watch or not. For that time, just stay tuned and I will post a new video with the review of this Apple Watch. So you guys, I hope you like this video, and if you have any questions or any comments, please leave them in the comment section and I will reply it to back. So if you have any question, please leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.